showing you guys Shimmer, our one-step polish, how to use this on your paint. Now most of you guys, I suggest using a machine. You do not need a lot of polish. All you need is 3 dots on a foam pad. This is a yellow polishing pad. You can use this on whatever type of pad you want, but I like normally polishing cutting pads. And we're gonna stick to speed 4. Now this paint needs a little bit of work because it's not getting the most black out of it. It's not getting the most shine. So this is gonna help refine the clear coat and pull out these metallics, pull out the finish to shine as much as possible so we can get that radiant look when we go outside in the sun. Here we go, speed 4. We're gonna work a couple passes and wipe off, and it's that easy. Here we go. So after we do a couple section passes, now we're gonna take a microfiber towel, fold it in 4s and wipe off, and we're gonna see the results that we get. And right away, you're gonna find an increase of clarity in the paint and shine. Take a look at that difference. If you guys have any questions, send us an email to support@sudsbox.com.